Was glaubst du? Wie wird unser Leben in der Zukunft aussehen? Was sind die größten Herausforderungen, die sich uns stellen werden? Welche Probleme, Gedanken und Visionen kommen dir in den Sinn, wenn du an unsere Umwelt und im Besonderen an den Schutz unserer Umwelt denkst?
When I imagine what life will be like in the future, I feel quite optimistic, especially when I think about the big progress that will be made in science and medicine.
In my opinion, one of the biggest problems of the world will be that environmental catastrophes like earthquakes and hurricanes will become less and less predictable.
I think that life in the future will become a lot easier because there will be more and more machines, computers, and robots that will do our jobs.
When I think about our children's future, I'm very much afraid. I think that fuel will become so expensive that people will no longer be able to afford it.
In my opinion, the world will become a better place. People have learned to work together and have realized that our planet needs to be protected and saved.
I hope that more and more people will change their lives and will stop thinking about their own advantage only and start thinking about making things better for the world in general.
If mankind goes on polluting rivers and lakes like it does at the moment, there will be no drinking water left one day.
In my opinion, we ought to concentrate a lot more on the protection of our environment. Especially children should learn how important our natural resources are and that water and air are one of the most valuable goods we have.
I'm quite sure that we will learn to deal with most environmental problems and will find ways to cope with the main challenges we are going to face.
On the one hand, we will have to deal with more and more environmental catastrophes and disasters in the future. On the other hand, a lot of new technologies will be developed to be able to react to these problems.